Hello guys, so today we'll be showing you guys our new online banking website. Almost see our website sweet. It's sweet die. See our site smooth, not be well. So like you can see, this is a very smooth, quick, responsive website. It comes with a lot of feature. Too many feature they finish this website. They have up to like five transfer code. So and you can change the name of all these transfer code, your COT, your tax, your IMF, to whatever you want. It's very customizable, very customizable. So if you click on this menu bar, you see so many other features like your personal, your ultimate banking, health, whatever, business, loans and services, and contact us. So one thing about why I love this website, and why you will love this website, is that the features too much. So you have SMS and email notification system, and you can either choose to use both of these system, or you can choose to use either SMS or just email. So aside that, for the purpose of this website, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using only email, but I'll show you how to use both of them. So at this front end, you can see banking or open account now. So if you already have an account, so you can click on banking to take you straight to the portal, and if you don't have an account, you can just click on open account. So when you open account, it brings up a security code. So this security code is kind of used as a second layer security, so that both cannot access your website. So we should just imagine it comes with language translator. So it means that you can translate to any language you want, or if your client is from any other country, you can easily translate this thing to get and understand the banking system perfectly. So one thing I still love about this site is that every transaction you make, there is a notification. So once you enter your code successfully, you get a verification successfully. So if you already have an account, you have to just enter your account number and your password. But since we don't have an account, we just click on enroll. So we just click on this enroll for online banking. So once you click on it, it takes you to your terms and condition page, accept it, and it takes you straight to the registration page. So let's just enter Joe. Okay, let's say John Kuz Do. So here you see different countries. It comes with the 250 something country we have in the world. So let's just choose our country. I'll just say Aruba. I'm from Aruba. Maybe Aruba safe, I don't know. So I click on Aruba and enter the city boy. So you enter your zip code and date of birth. As it that one I be now, my age, say suppose long now. So I'll just go to 1980 and August 15. So house address, city address, phone number. You enter your phone number, you enter your email. So ida.rules.kuz@gmail.com. So we'll check whether we're correct for this email. ida.rules.kuz. So we are correct. After you don't put your email normally, so you just select your employment details. So you see it comes with different offices, let's say self-employed, public, government, private, business, whatever. So you just self-employed and salary range. Another reason why I love this banking website, we say it comes with a different account. You can select different account types and account currency. So this SSN means your verification, your security code, or your NIL. Like in Nigeria we call it NIL. So just put in your different number and you select your account type. You see it has with checking account, savings, fixed deposit, current account, cryptocurrency account, business account, non-resident account, corporate account, and investment account. Another reason why you will love this our banking website is that it even come with cryptocurrency. And good news about it, that you can either choose to turn on this feature or you can turn it off. So I'll just say this is a checking account, and where is my currency? Almost see currency, say as currency boku. So I'll just select Afghanistan. No. Might just choose US. I'll find US. You can still choose your Nigerian naira. So we'll go for United States dollar. So I'll enter my PIN 111. I'll enter my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will confirm my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then I will upload my listing. I can either choose to, it automatically open your file manager from your phone. You can either choose to take photo from the library or take photos or choose from a file. So I'll just take photo. I will snap this black thing and upload. So once I'm done, I click on submit and I will get a message that my account, my password does not match. I have to, since I enter a wrong password, since I enter it out, 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So as I don't put this password normally now, so I click on submit. I'm supposed to get a register. So voila, congratulations, your account has been successfully registered. A confirmation email has been forwarded to your email address. So it now takes me straight to my login page. So we suppose get email now, a notification email that this is the before then, this is the admin end. So on the admin end, you see everything that is happening on this website. You see transaction. Well, let's just confirm our email first. Let's refresh and see. Let's see spam. Oh, the email enters spam. But normally you just click on, hold it here and click look safe. Normally now Google then they post. So we just say look safe and it will take us from spam, and other people that will register from your side will not have it as spam again. So you see the email, you see as email makes sense now. You say, hi John Kodos, thank you for allowing us to help you recently. And truth is that we can change, if you want us, we can customize this email for you if you want to. So all you have to do is to click on confirm your email. So you get the details of everything you choose. So there is the details of your account. This is your account number, which is automatically generated for you, and your account type, your banking, your currency, your address, the date of birth, and your online details. So this is your account ID, which is the same thing as your account number. Then your password, which is your password, and your secret code. So these are every other details you want. So I'll click on confirm email and click on here, and I'll get that my email has been confirmed successfully. So account registration completed and your email has been successfully verified. So you see, I'll just go back to home, enter this my security code again, which normally changes at every particular time, just like your two-step authentication code. So once it's done, we'll now come here, copy this account number, go back, paste it, and enter our password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Once we click on it, and voila, you see we cannot access this account. You see where the banking suite, you see where I like this banking website. You say access denied. Hi John, that's the name I just named it. You're not a bank, so it's currently inactive. Kindly contact our live customer care service. So you see that you have to, on the admin end, let's now go to admin end. Here is admin. As you refresh it now, once I refresh, you see that I will get that account here. So it don't show, it don't land, it don't land. So we have to confirm this for this user to be able, for this particular user to be able to log in into their account and carry out with any transaction. You as admin have to approve this person, just like your normal bank now. Not be as you just open your account, you could just start the use the account. So the bank have to confirm. This is where this banking website is different from every other website you have seen out there. Or normally now I speak pidgin, I based on say me I be street boy now. So where this side go take pass every other side when you don't see BC normally admin not the confirm user. So now I will now go to here, which is the admin, and click on this three button, and I'll see this good sign. If I click it, say approve an account. It say user has been activated. So if I should log in now, if I should log in again now, you see that this account will log in successfully. Let's see. He choke. You just say don't turn green. He choke. He choke. How you see him? Shey clear for see as dashboard fine. See as dashboard fine. And another reason why I love this is that you can actually change you can actually change this dashboard. You can put it dark mode or white mode, which most banking site does not have. So I will now show you. If you click here and you see dark mode, disable dark mode. Once I disable it, it will turn to white if you don't like white. So for me, I like dark mode, but for the sake of this thing, I will just leave it white. So you see and I say it clear. See I'm now. So this is your user, this is your login, this is your IP address, this is transfer fund, this is low bill, and you get everything. Here is you see every details of your website. You see your my account summary, send money, international transfer, deposit, pay bill, virtual, KYC, and all that. So before everything is done, we have to verify our KYC, know your customer. So click on KYC. You can decide to upload. Click here to upload your. We'll begin our ID identification. You see this a down website. You see our website suite. So once you click on verification, you will now confirm every details you uploaded, and we will now see where it makes sense. The document types, you have the passport, your national ID, and your driving license, meaning that you can use any of these documents to verify your account, your KYC. So you can decide to use national ID card, driving license, or passport. So which one should we use? We say passport. So this is the front. Let's say you upload front. I'll still take a picture. I don't want to open my gallery, sorry for that. One and not go see it, and I'm not supposed to see. So I'll snap. This is the front, and here is the back. I'll snap again and use it. So this is front and back. You click I have read the terms and conditions, and every personal information enter here is correct. So once I'm done, click on submit. So once you click on submit, it will tell you that this thing has been submitted successfully. Say your KYC information has been successfully submitted, and this is your reference number. So once you open that, your KYC has been submitted, you get an email. You they see as email they fast. You they see. So once you click on here, you see that a notification email has been sent to you. Your identity has been submitted. You will receive an email once the system is approved. So on the admin end here, on the admin end here, if you click here and go to KYC, you see down here KYC application. If you click on KYC application here, it will open up and you will see an email that's showing you yellow point here. It means that it's pending. Here this one is already approved, so you can decide to reject it. You can decide to view the details so that you see it says status is pending, submitted by John Doe. Look at the time and the document types, the front part and the second part. This is the applicant registration details. On they say as a clean, you dey see am. So once it's done, you can click on, you can approve it. So you can write email, thank you for providing us with your KYC application. Our team has reviewed it have, not has. I've reviewed it and successfully confirmed. So once you're done, you hit on your approve button. Once you hit on approve button, that client will still get email notification. Bam, KYC approve. Una dey see am. Una dey see am. Na not be say na go come. You dey see am as everything dey. Your submitted has been reviewed and accepted. You can now enjoy seamless transaction. Everything e clear. E done. So now let's go and fund this account. Let's go back to admin, which is this part. We'll go to the main dashboard, and this is our this thing. So we click on this button that say fund. We're funding this user amount. We'll say now 50,000 those with the fund now. So this is local transfer, check deposit, international transfer. So I want to credit this person with local transfer. Hey, testing transfer. So frequency, I just say 1. Do you want us to send email or no? I want you to send email. Make my guys then for say the email a clean. A clean. So once it's done, it reviews the transaction for you, so you can confirm transaction. Akbola, you don't credit them. You don't say credit alert. You don't say credit alert. 500,000 US dollar. Here are the details of your transaction, your account name, the description, and everything. You don't fund this user. Don't see money now. So if I should go back to here and click on dashboard, if I should click on this dashboard, it loads. You see that the 500,000 USD dollar has arrived. It don't show for our account now. On another Siam, you know another Siam, you know the Siam. It clear now. It don't show. So if you can see here now, you see that it's already shown, and here is the recent activity. Don't say everything don't show. So the more you do transaction, the more you appear on this recent transaction activities, and the balance flow changes over time. So you see a very more beautiful dashboard as time goes on. So more we'll see now. So if you check my account, this is my account. I'll see everything happening here, and account summary. You can see account summary, so you can see. So then you can now send money. Let's say you want to send money. You can send money to other users that belong to this bank website, or to other bank account, or you want to do international transfer. So let's do international transfer first. Once you click on it, you first of all add the recipient. If you click on add recipient, who are you sending this money to? Which country is it from? Angola. Which is state? Canonilo. Enter city. City boy. City. Address. Go Guy Street. Why did they enter now? You enter the zip code, enter the email. So once you enter the email, Agbero pharmacist. So you enter the person's phone number, enter his full name, Agbero guy. So you now enter the account number of the person. So this is kind of like adding a beneficiary. Enter the SWIFT code, enter the account number, so the account holder's name, Barnabas. So normally when you input account number, it's supposed bring out the name of the person, but based on say we know they use API, it not go show you. So you enter the account holder's name, either account type savings, Bank of Heaven. Click on continue. So we now confirm that we are adding this beneficiary and submit. Once we submit, you see say normally now they don't tell you say your recipient has been added. So you see the recent transaction description, and once you're done, click on make a cross-border transfer. This site for us to create and for you now check money like this. Like if you hit me up now, bam, we don't run this your site in less than 2 days. Creating me 2 days, 1.5 day, you don't get this website. You know they waste time. Now for you to just hit us, we create different type of website, both tracking, both e-commerce, crypto, banking, any type of website. If you just imagine like this, we will give you. If you even get site when you like, we feel give you that kind of design ASAP. So now that you have added now that you have added the recipient or probably beneficiary, so you select beneficiary, Agberu guy, delivering date, where you based on say that international transfer. Now you go get time when you expect and say you go take land. So go say like 16th of June, how much you want to send? Let's say $1,000. Reason, guy, use and flares. Continue. Once you don't click on continue, you say daily transaction exceeded. Normally we set this. You can set how many transactions a user can perform in a day. Another sweet feature that this website have. Most website does not have this feature. So if you use and they be your client, normally this is another billing format. You understand? For you to get you whatever. So let's go to admin end. Click on this particular user. Click here. Click on this name, John Doe. Click on banking details, and here you see that I set $5,000. Normally, how much I want to transfer that time at $10,000. So I can now set it to 500 billion or 500 whatever $1,000 daily limit. Normally banks, then all those online bank when you use, they not get time. It say user details has been updated. So if I should go back here and make this 10,000 transfer, continue. Now once I continue, you go see say e go clear, e go move now. So e don't confirm you see am. So click on continue. This is where I love this website. So this is the VAT. If I should go back to admin and click on here and scroll down, you see where it say manage authentication code. I can decide to change their name, first name, the code name, ITP. I can change all this name to what? COT, VAT, BOA. I can choose this IMF. So I can update any of these, and that's what you'll be bringing out for me. If I should not go back, to the dashboard, to the admin dashboard, click on this guy's name, view email. If I should not click on that same full name, click on banking, and I can choose this IMF differently for each user. I can set the distance for different users. So I'll enter VAT code. I put this. You can change this text here. This text you are seeing here. If you go to admin and click on here, click on setting, click on general settings. Once on general settings, so you can here. This is where it becomes interesting. You can disable crypto. You can disable cryptocurrency. You can disable IMF or BOA. And these are this thing when they come out for. This is BOA message, error message. I can disable VAT here and COT. Disable ITP. These are those messages that you are seeing. This message, you can change this message to whatever you want. Look at it. The federal tax code is required for this transaction. If you sign for Yugosan, the federal tax code is required for this transaction. So normally I could delete this. I'll be using the same number for all these things. Look at it. This is where you set each number for different people. You can disable the KYC. You can disable the virtual card and all that future choke this website. So I'll just paste this code. Let's say I put a wrong code. See, now I put wrong code. If I put wrong code now like this, it not go work. You see, invalid VAT code, invalid VAT code. For security purposes, your account will be suspended once you exceed the maximum trial. You have 9 attempts left. So once it exceeds 9 trial, the system automatically lock at the user. So now let me supply the correct code. I'll click on verify. Once I click on verify, now you now see that it will accept it. Bam! VAT code supplied. It makes sense. COT. I use the same code for all of them. So you can change this code. You can decide to turn only one code, because based on if you see here, say based on I turn on all the code them. So let's say I come here and ITP. Let me just change this code to bad guy 12 bad guy. So if I should update it now, bam, it done setting updated. So if I should go back to here, let me supply this code that I will put before. If I now supply this code, at that it won't go through again, because the other code have been changed. Some invalid ITP. So let's say 12 bad guy. So let's submit. Bam, ITP supplied. Everywhere is sharp, a clean, a dope. So once you're done, it now load for you. They will not send. Normally now you will not receive a you see, now you can turn off all these things. Now you now receive an OTP code, which is the most interesting part of this website. Banking website when you don't use, e not legit like this. I dey beat my chest, they tell you say e not legit like this. For checking money like this, now you go get this banking website where everything's soft. It's soft. Just click on verify. Once you verify like this, now you go see the magic when go happen. Successfully you have sent this guy money. You don't send that money. Look at it. You don't receive message. You Sam, now they go send, where this thing say, they go send the person when you send message notification, like the email of the person that you are sending money to. The person will get email notification. Why you too will get you say a cross-border transfer was initiated to your account. Kindly wait for the official confirmation of this. Why this is Agbero Sam, Agbero Pharmacy, where now this one then transfer account. You see, say the website, the email not enter spam again, based on say I don't confirm and say it looks safe from the other end. So if I should go back and select it down now for here, you can see say myself get credit debit alert. So if I should go back to my account and refresh this page, if I should refresh this page, go back to dashboard, you see say they don't deduct am. It don't become $490,000. It don't turn up like that. Don't turn 4,000. You see say as I did do am, say more this thing dey appear. This balance flow now don't dey. E not dey before. You see, sweet. So, and your user can see the credit score. Credit score meaning that this is the kind of amount this person go fit borrow if at all they want borrow money. So that done. Let's see local transfer. No, see local transfer. Local transfer, $1,000. So local transfer don't ask you. It don't ask you to add a beneficiary name like the other time we did. So here you just select bank name. So you see it suggests different bank name for you. Enter the account number, the bank holder's name, chief. and click on next. Once you click on next, unlike the international transfer that requests for so many things, this one does not ask you for all those questions. So click on confirm transaction, see where the thing they make sense, see where they make sense. See, I'm processing transaction, you are sending transaction. Oh, almost see as it sweet me, see as it sweet me. You dey see everything, initiating transaction successfully. Please wait, you are about to send $1,000 to chief. Or more, you won't send $1,000 to chief. See as everywhere the sakrata, it is sakrata, it is sakrata. Bam, I go enter my VAT code. Who remember my VAT code again? Okay, yeah. Okay, I not change this guy that time now. I put down for here based on, I know if you remember this. So I click here, add VAT. VAT supplied. COT supplied. You don't COT supplied. Wetin I put? I not be 1 2 bad guy. Bad guy. Then go send me OTP now. One time OTP stands for one time verification. So once it's done, click on OK and voila. It's time for me to get my OTP. Bam! You don't, before you even load finish, I don't get them. You know, they waste time. You don't know they waste time. So I'll just copy it here and confirm. I don't confirm. I'm transfer successful. You don't transfer. You see my receipt. Now to screenshot and bam, send and give your client. See everything done sakrata. Everything done sakrata. So that is that. So now let's try the virtual card. So your client can actually request for virtual card. Once they come here, click on virtual card, request for a virtual card. Then they review their details again. See where the site is sweet again. See where the site is sweet again. So you select a security question. What is your pet name? Let's say dog. So card reference. I fit tell you say the banking website when you use, you not get this thing. I dey beat my hand for my chest. Say you not get time. So you select Visa, Mastercard, Discover, or whatever. I select Mastercard. Click that I have read this thing and I apply. So you go apply for card. You go apply for card. You have successfully applied for a virtual Mastercard. So we'll notify you when it's done. If the admin now should go back here, click on here, click on virtual card. You go see the request say person John Doe. John Doe, the request for card. So network did not allow it to load clearly the other time. I've read and apply. So you don't talk say I don't apply. I was too fast. May load. So I'm having network issue. That is that. So your clients too can request for loan. They can request for loan. See where the loan they do automatic calculation. They do automatic calculation. So let's say how much do I want to loan? I want to loan $500 and I want to use it for personal home. I want to pay back in 3 years and I just want to buy a home, a purple. I just want to buy a home. So look at it. It gets the terms and condition. Interest fee is 4.3%, management fee 3%, credit. So you calculate it and see am, e don show you how e wan be. E don deduct e don show you everything, calculate everything wey you wan pay. So you borrowed $5,000. So every monthly you'll be paying back monthly interest of $215 in 3 years time, which is 36 months. Car, credit, insurance, fuel, penal fuels, and other. Once you are done, request a loan. Once you request a loan, the admin will now see this on his own end. Click here as admin, go here, and you see you get a notification that congratulations, based on the information submitted, we are glad to inform that your prepared loan is shown down below. It sends you email with calculation done on it. You see how it's sweet. It's, you know, you they see you clear for IRB, you clear, it show. I don't see him, you don't show. So admin will now come to loan management services. Okay, let's refresh this page. Once we refresh now, once we refresh here, click here now and loan service. You see that one request don't show. One request don't show. You don't see them. See banning when show them. View user. You go see the user when request them. Go back now and approve this email. Your loan have been approved. You don't click on it, approve, and the user now, which is your customer, will now get email that your request loan has been approved. You they see as email, you they see as the fast, not the other one where you go wait 23,000 months before you go see your email. Your loan has been approved. Bagam, Akpo. So if let's say let's decline, and let's say a user now requested for, let's say a user requested for, let's request for loan. I will not try and decline this loan, so you see how it works. So I want to borrow $4,000. So I want to use it to as a salary loan. I want to pay back in 8 years. Hi guys, everywhere off. Bad guy. Like I said, you can get this website designed for you in less than 2 days. With checkle money, with small amount of money, you get this site designed for you. Just contact me on WhatsApp and get this thing. 070647085150. Hit me up on WhatsApp and you'll get this website in less than 1 day, or 1 day. You don't get this thing. We design all types of website: crypto website, banking website, parcel website, shipping website, buying and selling, e-commerce website, or any type of website you can even imagine. So now that we are done, click on continue. Click on continue and request loan. So your loan has been submitted. So now if I should refresh this page, you see am now. Alert the choke am. If I should refresh am, so I will not decline this message. Your loan has been declined. And reject. So I rejected this, and you see that you get another email saying your loan has been rejected. Your loan has been rejected. Akpo. So that you see how it works. So what is next here? What is next here? As in, get back to home. Click on here. Let's see this cryptocurrency. You can decide to activate this feature or not. So as admin, let's go back to admin. Click on here, click on your setting, go to general setting, and let's disable crypto. Once you're done, update, you go see magic when go happen for you. It go clear for your eye. So it's already updated. If I should refresh this page, now you see on a cryptocurrency, if I refresh this page, see that this cryptocurrency will disappear. That's because I've disabled this future. Bam, it don't clear, it don't vermouth. You dey see am. So it depends on the kind of business you are running. You should decide when to use this feature or not. So I will turn it now on. Let me show you how the cryptocurrency works. So I will now come here and toggle it on and update. So setting has been updated. If I should go back to here and refresh this page again, once I refresh, you see that this feature will now come back. Bam, is back here. So click on crypto, manage your asset. You can withdraw your crypto or deposit with crypto. Deposit with crypto here. Select assets you want. I want to do Bitcoin and I want to deposit $1,500. So click on continue and it will pop up and a Bitcoin wallet. I can scan this page to take me to Bitcoin and I will transfer this amount to this my wallet. So on this back end, on this admin end, you can select this. You can select the crypto management. Look at it. You can update these things and add your wallet here. So you can add this wallet here. So once you're done, you will now take this thing, go to your normal crypto this thing and send this amount. So once you are done, confirm transaction. Crypto deposit account, you receive an automatic once your transaction was confirmed. So now I will now go to here, which is admin, click on crypto and refresh this page. Once I refresh this page, I will now see that I will now have one pending deposit. Once I come here, I can now fund this and click on approve. Let's say I've sent this thing that they have sent to my email, this thing on my email blockchain. Once I'm done, approve it and go back. If me as a user now go back, you see that this particular amount, 1,500, has been credited into my AZA. So it's gonna become 503,990 USD dollar. On I see as this thing clear, on they see am so, So without wasting much of your time, you see that this is a very little this thing that this website can do. It can do a lot more. This is crypto transaction. You see, you're based on say why delete a little bit, because that is how Bitcoin works. It takes a little time for you to confirm your transaction. So in order to raise suspicions about your client, so we kind of delay the message for you by like 10 seconds. So you see your email here and all that. So if you want this particular website designed for you so that you can use it for your job, your day-to-day job, all you have to do is to just hit me up and this website is yours. We dey design every type of website, any type of website, smooth website for you. Thank you for watching. See you guys on our next video. Bye.